Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video you will find 6 must-have kitchen accessories on Amazon 2023. Sponge holder. Introducing the perfect solution to keep your kitchen sink organized and tidy, the kitchen sink organizer. This versatile kitchen accessory not only holds your sponge securely, but also has plenty of room for your dishwashing liquid, scrubbers, and other cleaning tools. Made from high-quality materials and finished in sleek black, this kitchen organizer is both stylish and durable. Say goodbye to cluttered kitchen sinks and hello to a clean and organized space with the kitchen sink organizer. Vegetable chopper. Introducing the improved vegetable chopper, the ultimate kitchen gadget for efficient and hassle-free vegetable preparation. With 14 different functions, including an onion chopper, veggie chopper, food chopper, and vegetable slicer, this safe chopper vegetable cutter is versatile enough to handle all of your food prep needs. Its durable stainless steel blades make quick work of chopping, dicing, and slicing vegetables, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The food chopper manual hand design is easy to use and allows for precision cutting, while the compact size makes it easy to store. Upgrade your kitchen with the improved vegetable chopper and enjoy perfectly prepared vegetables every time. Kitchen tap spray. Transform your kitchen sink with the kitchen tap spray head, the ultimate upgrade for your faucet. This 360-degree swivel spout FM22M24 kitchen sink tap spray attachment head features 3 modes, allowing you to switch between a powerful spray, a gentle stream, and a pause mode. Its tap extender for kitchen sink replacement faucet booster filter ensures efficient water flow, while the G1/2 tap adapter accessories make installation a breeze. With its easy-to-use design and versatile functionality, the kitchen tap spray head is the perfect accessory for any kitchen. Whether you're washing dishes, rinsing fruits and vegetables, or cleaning your sink, this spray head provides superior water pressure and flow. Upgrade your faucet with the kitchen tap spray head and enjoy a more efficient and convenient kitchen experience. Strainer washing. Introducing the 3 PCS collapsible colander set, the perfect addition to your kitchen. This set includes 3 silicone colanders and food strainers in varying sizes, each with a foldable filter drain basket designed for easy storage. Their green color adds a pop of brightness to your kitchen, while their sturdy construction ensures they'll stand up to frequent use. With their convenient handles, these kitchen strainer washing up bowls make it easy to drain pasta, fruits, and vegetables, while their collapsible design allows for space-saving storage. Made from high-quality silicone, these colanders are heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and easy to clean. Upgrade your kitchen with the 3 PCS collapsible colander set and enjoy efficient food prep and cleanup every time. Dish drainer. Introducing the dish drainer black, the ultimate kitchen accessory for drying dishes. This 2-tier dish drainer is made of high-quality stainless steel, making it both sturdy and durable. Its sleek black finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while its spacious design can hold a variety of dishes, cups, and utensils. With its utensil holder and drip tray, this dish drainer ensures that your kitchen remains neat and tidy. Measuring 43.5 by 24.5 by 34.5, this dish drainer provides ample space for all your dish drying needs. Its 2-tier design allows for efficient use of space, while the drip tray collects excess water, keeping your counter dry and clean. Easy to clean and maintain, this dish drainer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Upgrade your dish drying game with the dish drainer black and enjoy a more efficient and organized kitchen. Trash can. Introducing the Amazon Basics Trash Can, the perfect solution for keeping your home or office clean and organized. With its 50-liter capacity, this trash can is large enough to hold a significant amount of waste, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. Its sleek and modern design fits seamlessly into any space, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability. The lid opens and closes smoothly and quietly, thanks to the pedal-operated mechanism, and the inner bucket is removable for easy cleaning. Made of high-quality stainless steel, This trash can is resistant to fingerprints, rust, and scratches, making it easy to maintain its sleek appearance. Whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, office, or bathroom, the Amazon Basics trash can is the perfect addition to any space. Keep your space clean and organized with this essential home and office accessory. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box. Which countries and cities are you watching from? Write down in the comment below.